All right, so this table shows the number of people, N, seated in each section of the gym, depending on the total number of people, P, in the gym. So we have this table here. And part A, we're going to figure out, well, which equation could be used to find this number of people that are in the gym? So if we take a look at this, we take a look from 9, how do I get to 3? Well, if we get from N, 9 to get to 3, so do we do 3 times this number P? So 3 times 9, does that equal 3? No. How about if I do P divided by 3? So if I did this P, 9, and I divided by 3, if I divided by 3, do I get 3? Yeah. Let's make sure it works the same throughout the whole table. 18 divided by 3 is 6. Yep. 36 divided by 3, 12. Yep. So our answer is going to be B over here. B, 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 B. Now, part B, we're going to figure out this value. So how many people, or N, would be seated in each section if there were 27 total people in the gym? So if there were 27 people in the gym, all we have to do is N is going to equal 27 divided by, or slash, divided by 3. Well, 27 divided by 3 is going to be 9. So all that you have to put here is going to be 9. And that is also when you divide by 3. So make sure you have that written down and this written down. That's it for this lesson. Let's go head on to that next one. The second part of the lesson, a bowling alley charges $1.50 for each shoe rental, and then $2 per game. So $1.50 is the flat fee, so whatever you're buying the games. And then you're going to have the games be $2. So here's the number of games, and here's the number of dollars. Number of games, number of dollars. So if you only play one game, you'll spend $3.50 because you have the $2 and you have the $2 per game, so that 2 times that X, and then you will add on your $1.50 for the shoes because the shoes are by themselves. So what we're going to take a look at here, we're going to have the number of games, so per game. So $2 per game. So the games is going to be X, so we're going to look for whatever is 2 times that X. The only one over here that shows 2 times that X is this one. Let's check the rest of it. Are we adding the cost of shoes in there, plus $1.50 for shoe rental? Yes, we are. So our answer here is going to be A. Let's take a look at part B. What would the total cost be what is the total cost Y of 3 games? So if we were to play 3 games, well, we're going to do that 2 times the 3 games. So we will do 2 times 3 games, and then we'll add $1.50. Remember, we have to multiply before we add. 2 times 3 is 6. Don't forget to add that $1.50. 6 plus $1.50 is going to be $7.50. So it'll be $7.50, and that will be letter A again. So make sure you have this written down as well, and both of our answers there are A, and that is it for the lessons. Great job.